Hello everyone. Let's go back to number 11. So in number 11, they're asking us in the system of linear equations shown above, a, b, and c are constants, a and b and c, a, b are not zero. Which of the following is true? Now, of course, c is false. Why? Because for a system of two equations and two unknowns, x and y, I'm only getting x and y, so I'm only getting one solution. Now, if I want to get two solutions, x1, y1, x2, y2, so I need one equation, two, three, four equations, two unknowns, so that I can get x1, y1, x2, y2, so that I can get two solutions, which is not the case. So it's never the case with a system of two equations, two unknowns, to get two solutions. Now, if it has no solutions, so when would it be no solutions? Now, let me just write a random equation. X plus 2y is equals to 3, and 2x plus 4y is equals to 10. So x over 2, or if you want to look at it in a different way, x divided by 2, and 2 is equals, not x, sorry, 1 divided by 2. And 2 over 4, this is not equals to 3 over 10. So you cannot really consider it 3 over 10. Now, this one has no solution. This one has no solution. Now, when do I have infinitely many solutions? When this one is 3, 6, so now it's equals to 3 over 6. This one now has infinitely many solutions. So when I have 1 over 2 is equals to 2 over 4 is equals to 3 over 6, so I have infinitely many solutions. Now, when do I have only one solution? When this one, let's say this one is different than this, and this one is different than this. So this one must be 3, this one must be 5, this one is 8. So none of these are equal to one another. So then it is one solution. It has only one solution. Let us take some examples. So let us look at this one. So ax, question 11, ax plus by is equals to c. A over 3x plus b over 2y is equals to c over 6. So a over b, this one is a over b, and a over 3 over b over 2, so 2a over 3b. Now, this one is not the same as this one, so if they're not the same, so I only have one solution over here. So over here, b is correct. I only have one solution. Okay, let us solve more of these. Now, for question 1, I believe there are a lot of them that have I'm just going to give you the ones that have typing mistakes. So y is equals to minus 3x plus 7. Y is equals to minus 3 into minus 4 plus 7. Minus 12 plus 7 is equals to minus 5. Now, for this to work, D must be y is equals to minus 2x plus 3. So minus 2 into minus 4 plus 3 minus 12. Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3, which is minus 5. Now, question 2. I guess there's also a typing mistake over here. It must be C. So it must be C. So when x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 2 into minus 1 plus 3. So y must be equals to 1. So C must be equals, y is equals to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So 2. Sorry, this one must be minus. So y should be minus 2x minus 1. So that when I substitute minus 2x into minus 1, so 2 minus 1, which will give me a 1. So C over here is the correct answer. Now, question 3. Okay. So y is equals to 4x minus 2. 4 into 3 minus 2. When x is equals to 3. 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. Now if I try it out, let me try A out. Minus 3 plus 5, no. Let me try B out. Yeah, most probably B must be equals to 3x plus 1, so that it can work. This one has a typo, so it's equals to 10, so B. Now let's go to question 4. Y is equals to minus 2x plus 5. X is equals to minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So is equals to 9. I need to find my 9. So if I go for A, it's y is equals to 2x plus 3. 2 into minus 2 plus 3, so no. Let me go to my B. B, definitely no. Let me go to my C. So minus 3 into minus 2 plus 7, no. Okay. 4 into minus 2 plus 1. Okay, this one has a typing mistake as well. So for y, 4x plus 1. So for this one to be, this one must be minus 4x plus 1. So let's try it out. Y is equals to minus 4 into minus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So this one also has it. Up. Go back. Okay. So this one also has a typing mistake. Yeah, so D. It's D. Now let's go to, these are repetitive. I'll solve question 1 here. This one's pretty easy. Let's go to question 5. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3x plus 1, y is equals to 1. So this one has both of them. So if you put 0, 0, you get both of them ones. So this one also has a typo. But you get the drill now. You understand what you need to do. So question 1. Okay, so they want, if this one has infinitely many solutions. So if it has infinitely many solutions, what am I supposed to do? 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. 4x plus ky is equals to 12. Now, if this one has infinitely many solutions, so the ratios must be equal. So 2 over 3 must be equals to 4 over k must be equals to 9 over 12. Now, I believe this one also has a typing mistake. Let me just check. Give me a sec. Okay. So this one is 18. Yeah. This one over here is 18. Not 12. It's 18. 4x plus ky is equals to 18. Yeah. Let's try it out. So if this one is 18, I just remove this. Okay. So if this one is 18, so 9 over 18 is 1 over 2. No, it doesn't really work. That one is 2 over 3. Okay. Did they say infinitely many solutions, or? Yeah, they said infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, all of the ratios must be equal so that I can have infinitely many solutions. So if all of them must be equal, let's see. Yeah, this one also needs to change. Like, this one cannot be. Okay, just ignore this one. Ignore the constants since like I don't really care about the constants. They're already not equal, so I care about these. So 4 into 3 is equals to 2k because this one has a typo. So I need all of them to be equal. Okay, so 12 is equals to 2k. K is going to be equals to 6. Now, let's go to question 2. Question 2, if it has infinitely many solutions, so 5x plus 2y, if the system n is a constant, if the system has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of n? Now, nx plus hy is equals to 16. 5 over 2, n over 8, 12 over 16. Tell me if this one has a typo as well. Okay. So this one times 4 times 4 times 4. This one must be 4. This one must be... Wait, so if I did 12 over 16, no, it cannot really work. Cannot really work over here. This one must be a 4. This one must be 4. Yeah. This one over here must be 4. So if this one is a 4, now, does my relationship work? 5 over 2 is equals to n over 8 is equals to 4 over 16. Now, 5 over 2 and 4 over 16, they don't look like they are in a good position. Let me try it the other way. So if I did 5 over n is equals to 2 over 8 is equals to 4 over 16. Now this is something I can work with. Yeah. Okay, guys, I guess like when it comes to infinitely many solutions, because look, like it's clear that 5 something, 2, 8, 4, 16. So if I multiply this one by 4, I would get 20x plus 8y is equals to 16. So I'm getting 8, I'm getting 16, but this one is different. So it's preferable, like, let us try it while we are solving. So it is preferable to put the ratios like under each other when you are considering infinitely many solutions. So 5 over n is equals to 2 over 8 is equals to 12 over 16 if you are considering infinitely many solutions. If you're considering no solutions, this one works fine. This one, like putting 5 over 2 is equals to n over 8 is not equals to 12, like this example, if you have no solution. So it's better to like take the ratio next to it. This is my advice. Let us see how it works later on. Now, I've erased it twice now, sorry. I was just trying to make a point over there. Okay, so nx plus 8y is equals to 16. 5 over n is equals to 2 over 8. 2n is equals to 40. N is equals to 20. Now, n is going to be equals to 20. Did I do anything wrong? 2n. N is going to be equals to 20. 20 doesn't... Okay. Let's circle back to question 2. I'll keep it as a note. Let's circle back to question 2. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. Let's check question 3. So infinitely many solutions as well. Now, if I said infinitely many solutions, 2 over b is equals to 3 over 12 is equals to 6 over 24. Now, does this work? 6 over 24 is 1 over 4. And 3 over 12 is 1 over 4. So yes. Now, let's try it the other way. 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Bx plus 12y is equals to 24. Let's try 2 over 3. We're going to get b two ways. So the first method and the second method. Now the first method, 2 over b is equals to 1 over 4. B is going to be equals to 8. Let's see if we get the same answer over here. So 2 over 3 is equals to b over 12 is equals to 6 over 24. Now, 6 over 24 is 1 over 4, and this one is 1 over 3. And I don't have an 8 over there. So, where am I going wrong over here? I'm trying to think out loud, like I'm considering myself as a student trying to solve, so I want you guys to also like consider these types of scenarios. I'm showing you these types of scenarios and I'm trying to overcome them as well, like to show you how someone should think. So 2 over 3 is equals to b over 12 is equals to 6 over 24. This one is 1 over 3. Now this one is not equals to this one. So I can't really use this method. Oh, wait. Infinitely many solutions. They all must be equal. Yeah, correct. So all of them must be equal. So this one doesn't work. I can't really use the one next to it in order to check, but it's a rule. It's a rule. 2 over 3 must be equals to b over 12 must be equals to 6 over 24. So 6 over 24, I'm going to do it again. 6 over 24 is 1 over 4, and 2 over 3 is 2 over 3. It's 0.66, and that one is 0.25. So, okay. Let me look at something. Give me a sec. So if I did okay, I didn't try one thing yet. Which is the first thing you need to do when you have infinitely many solutions. Okay, it's this one. When you do plus 12y is equals to 24, there is the easier method, so I was trying to do it like very quickly. There is the easier method where you just multiply this one by 4. And you ignore the ratios, because they're telling you it has infinitely many solutions. They're telling you that it has infinitely many. You're not trying to figure it out. I was trying to like go the other way around, because later on we're gonna have exercises that are gonna ask you if you have infinitely many solutions, or if you have no solutions, or if you have one solution. So I was trying to give you like a method of thinking before we go to the ones that they ask you these types of stuff. So over here, the easier method, 8x plus 12y is equals to 24. Bx plus 12y is equals to 24. B is equals to 8. It doesn't appear here. It's fine. Okay, so B must be equals to 8. Let us go for 4. Question 4. They're also telling you now. Let us try and do it immediately now. Does it work? Like just to multiply the equation. I don't think multiplying the equation here is going to work. I guess there's a typo over here, because before I even try, there's 8 over 8 and there's 3 and 4 over there. 4x cy. So if I did 3 over 5 is equals to 4 over c. Now, this one is obviously something that I need to consider. So if I multiply the equation, this one by 4, this one must be equals to 32, by the way. And this one, okay. This one definitely has a typing mistake. This one definitely has a typing mistake, because, okay, 12, 20, 32. So they're considering like, okay, never mind. go to question 5. I'm trying to pinpoint out the mistakes that maybe you, sorry, not mistakes, like the typing mistakes that you kind of faced while you are solving this type of exercise. Okay, so let me try 98 divided by 14, that's 7. 49 divided by 7 is also 7, so I've got something over there. So yes, this one is okay. Question 5 is okay. So since I've got 7 over 49 is equals to 14, okay, now I can do like a legitimate test. So 7 over 49 is equals to 14 over 98. Now, if I go over here, so which is 1 over 7. Now, if I do the two methods that I said earlier, like 2 over p, yeah, 2 over p. So I would assume that, let's try, like 2 over p is equals to 1 over 7, p is equals to 14. Okay. Now let us try it the other way around, like 2 over 7 is equals to p over 49 is equals to 14 over 98. Now, does this work? Like, if I do 14 by 98, no, I would not get a 2 over 7. If I do 14 over 98, I would not get a 2 over 7. I would get a 1 over 7. So it's still better for you guys to actually consider like 2, or like the old school. A over B is equals C over D is equals to F over G. Like these, directly. Not considering the one right next to it. Whatever flows your boat. Like, I'm just trying to share a method, several methods of solving, like the ways of thinking. Okay, so let us jump right into it. So I was trying to prepare you for these types of questions. So if over here they're giving you the equations and they're asking you to figure out which one is which. So of course, always C is excluded from the picture. So question 1, oh, I already wrote that here there. Okay, so question 1. I've got 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. 3 over 4x plus 5 over 6y is equals to 7 over 8. Now, the first thing that I'm gonna check is the infinitely many solutions, to cross it out from my from my calendar, or to cross it out from my possibilities. So 5 over 1 over 7 over 8, 5 over 1 over 7 over 8 is 40 over 7. Now, 40 over 7 is it equals to 3 over 1 over 5 over 6. So 3 over 1 over 5 over 6. It's not equals. 18 over 5 is not equals to 40 over 7. So I've got infinitely many solutions outside of the picture. Now I need to check for no solutions. So 2 over 3, is it equals to 3 over 4 over 5 over 6? Let's check. 3 over 4 over 5 over 6. This one is 9 out of 10. This one is 9 out of 10. This one is 2 out of 3. So it's not no solutions. So this one is gonna be exactly one solution. So since this one over this one, this one over this one is not equal, so this one over this one is not equals this one over this one. So no solutions over here. Question 2. Now we decided to check for infinity first, just to check it out of our, tick it out of our box, tick our box off. Then we can check no solution. This is how I'm trying to approach it. It's the easiest method, so no solution second, And one solution, I'm using it, I'm checking third for one solution. Now, if I did 4x plus 7y is equals to 9, why am I writing it again? It's already in there. Now, I want to write it, sorry. Although it's going to take me like a couple of seconds, but I feel safer doing it. So I don't want to look left and right. Okay. So we said that we want to rule out the infinity from the picture. So let us look at infinity. We agreed that we're going to look this way for the infinity, this way, and this way. So infinity, all of them must be equal. So this one was 7 over 9. So, no, this one was a 7. Yeah. This one was a 7. I removed all of them. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. This one was a 7. Okay. Now, 9 over 1 is it equals to 7 over 7 over 9. So 7 over 1, 7, 9, 7, 1. 7 times 9 over 7 times 1. So 7 goes away with 7. So I've got 9. 4 over 1 over 2 over 3. 3. Okay, so 4, 12 over 2. 12 over 2. Yeah, let me just double check because we're almost close over here. I'm pretty sure it's 12 over 2, which is 6. I just don't want to make any mistakes. 6. So this one is not infinitely many solutions. Now, since it's not infinitely many solutions, I'm going to cross this one out of the picture. But in this one, I've got 7 over 7. Okay, so yeah. I don't want to get mixed up in assumptions. So we agreed that we're going to cross each one out individually. So no solutions. No solutions. I need to put 4 over 7 is equals to 2 over 3 over 7 over 9. Now this one must be my no solutions. So 2 over 3 over 7 over 9. No, I did it the other way. 2 over 3 over 7 over 9. It's 6 over 7. So I automatically got one solution over here. No solutions. This one is no solutions. One sec. So if I'm saying this one is no solutions, then I solved it wrong. So the coefficients 2 over 3 over 7 over 9 is equals to 6 over 7. This one is equals to 6 over 7. Wait, did I do a typing mistake? 7 over 9, yeah. 6 over 7, okay. This one over here, yeah. This one has 6 over 7, 4 over 7. They're not equals. And the last one, it's 9. Yeah, 9 over 1. So no, one solution. Sorry, one solution. This one is not equals to this one. It's not equals to 9 over 1. So I've got one solution. Okay. 9 times, okay. 9 times 3, 9 times 2, 18, 3 times 21. 18 over 21. 6 over 21 over 4 over 21. 6 over 21. No. Okay. Now, let's go over here. Question 3. 3x minus 5y is equals to 12. 2 over 5x plus 3 over 7y is equals to 3. So let us always take first the infinitely many solutions. Second, we're going to go for no solutions. Third, we're going to go for one solution. Why are we always doing this? Because infinitely many solutions, they're equal. Like whatever is here is equals to whatever is here is equals to whatever is here. No, second is like no solution. It's easier because like one of them is equal, one of them is not. Like 2 over 3. And then one solution, like none of them are equal to each other. So like I would rather check if all of them are equal. Then if one of them is not equal, then at the last one I would check like if any one of them had like one solution. So this is how we're approaching these types of exercises. Now let's go for 3 over 2 over 5, which is 15 over 2. Okay, I assume it's not, did I write minus 5 over there? I wrote it wrong, no. Okay, so minus 5 over 3 over 7, yeah. So it's not infinitely many solutions, so it doesn't give the infinitely many solutions. And then I'm gonna try 3 over minus 5, so I'm gonna go here, 3 over minus 5. Let me see if it's equals 2 over 5 over 3 over 7. Let me just plug it in immediately. 2 over 5 over 3 over 7. So 14 over 15. So no. So if no. So one solution. Now I didn't have to continue because these two were not equal, so 12 over 3 is not equal. So over here I have one solution over here. I've got one solution over here. Since this one is not equals to this one, and it's not equals to that one. Okay, let's go to question 4. So question 4, 5x minus 3y is equals to 8. 2 over 3x plus 1 over 2y is equals to 3 over 4. Now, as we said, first infinity, second, no solutions. Third, I would check for one solution. So let's go. Is this one 5 over 2 over 3, 50? Didn't I just do this? Okay, never mind. 15 over 2, 3 over minus 3 over, okay, never mind. It's not infinity. And then I'm gonna have to solve for no solution. So 5 over minus 3. Now over here, without me continuing, I've already got a minus, so I don't really have to continue over here, because minus 5 over 3 is not gonna be equals to a positive number. So over here, it's gonna be this one not equals to this one, not equals to this one. So it's gonna be one solution. Now, question 5, 2x plus 7y is equals to 4. 3 over 4x plus 7 over 8y is equals to 2. Now, let us try 2 over 3 over 4, 8 over 3, 7 over 7 over 8. Now you can already see how this one is not infinitely many solutions. So let us go to 2 over 7. Is it equals to 3 over 4 over 7 over 8? 3 over 4 over 7 over 8, which is 6 over 7. So no, it's not. This one is not equals to this one. It's not equals to 4 over 2. So this one has one solution. This one is going to end up with having one solution. And let us go for... Oh, we're done. Okay. Okay. I hope this one was helpful. I hope I was helpful today. I'm going to record another video in a bit.